Rosy and supple lips naturally add a charm to our everyday look. But how do we get them to stay that way without having to splurge on expensive masks and exfoliators? We've put together some simple and quick DIYs that will help you get rid of chapped, dull lips in no time. An easy hack to get rid of dry, flaky skin is to apply some petroleum jelly on your lips and gently go over with a toothbrush. This will exfoliate your lips and remove all that dead skin, revealing pink and soft lips. If you have dry, discolored or pigmented lips, use a scrub that's enriched with vitamin C, or you can make one using the following ingredients. Take some orange peels, sugar and almond oil. Grind dried orange peels into a fine powder and take 2 tablespoons in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 10 to 12 drops of almond oil to it. Mix well and get scrubbing. Orange peel powder will help brighten your lips and remove excess oils. Sugar, when mixed with orange peel powder, is a great exfoliator. Almond oil moisturizes chapped lips and makes them smoother. Wash off the scrub and you'll see that your lips feel hydrated and soft. If chapped lips are a constant problem all through the year, then try out this super simple and easy DIY. Take 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to make this exfoliator. Apply the scrub and rub it on your lips gently for some time and wash off. You will achieve hydrated and kissable lips in no time. Sometimes using a lip moisturizer is not enough to hide the pigmentation and dark lips. So dip a Q-tip in almond oil, apply it on your lips and leave it on overnight. The vitamin E present in this oil protects the lips from the sun's UV rays, and the fatty acids heal chapped lips by retaining moisture. Do this every night to flaunt a pink pout without having to wear lipstick. Our lips too need some TLC from time to time, and this overnight DIY treatment is perfect for uneven lips. Start off by washing them with warm water and use a soft cloth to remove any dirt and massage in circular motions to remove flaky dead skin. Add a coat of lip balm or petroleum jelly to keep your lips nourished right before you hit the sack, and you will wake up with soft and supple lips in the morning. Now that you know how to care for your lips on a regular basis, go ahead and flaunt those lush pink lips every single day. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.